Something happened in the field. What is the reason? We don't know still. But Rafi will take right decision. Rafi decision is the right decision. And he will take and he will rise up his hand. If something happened. Let's see. What is going on? What is going on? Now, shot corner. The children, they have the ball. Children, Salve, player. Will be track, shot, taking, and choosing the right position. Right position. Right. It was a very wonderful shot, but সব কিছু থাকবে